In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add code to your Shopify theme Liquid file. To get started, sign in to your Shopify admin so you are on your store's main dashboard. From here, you will open the area where Shopify keeps all of your storefront settings and theme files. First, look at the menu on the left side and go to Online Store. This is where you control how your storefront looks and where your themes are managed. Once you are inside Online Store, select Themes. The Themes page shows the theme that is currently published, along with any other themes you have added to your account. Now take a moment to locate the theme you want to edit. Most of the time, you will be working on the live theme, which is the theme customers see right now. Be careful here because any code changes to a live theme can affect your storefront immediately. If you have multiple themes, double-check the name and status so you are editing the correct one. Next, find the Customize button for that theme. Right beside it, you will see a button with 3 dots, sometimes called the More Actions menu. Click those 3 dots to open the drop-down options. This menu contains the tools for managing theme settings beyond the visual customizer. From the drop-down, select Edit Code. When you click Edit Code, Shopify will open the theme code editor. This is where your liquid templates, sections, snippets, and assets live. It is also where you can add or modify code inside your theme files. As a quick tip, move slowly and make small changes at a time, especially if you are editing a live theme. If you already know which file you need, you can use the search within the editor to find it faster. It also helps to keep a backup plan, such as duplicating your theme before editing, so you can recover quickly if something does not look right after a change. Once you are in the Edit Code area, you are in the correct place to add code to your theme Liquid file. That covers everything you need to know.